Hi, I'm Kannan M, your guide to smart investing. I've spent 40 years in the financial industry, and I'm here to help you achieve financial freedom, one smart investment at a time. Welcome to the SIP Quick video series, where we break down crucial investment concepts in bite-sized, easy-to-understand segments. In this first video, we'll dive into the key differences between SIPs and lump sum investments, helping you make informed decisions and choose the right path for your goals. You can find links to my books in the description.
Hey there, investors! Are you ready to make smart investment decisions? This video will break down the key differences between SIPs and lump sum investments, helping you choose the right strategy for your financial goals. For long-term goals, like retirement or child education, SIPs are typically the more effective approach. SIPs promote a disciplined saving habit, helping you accumulate wealth consistently and mitigate the impact of market fluctuations. SIPs are particularly well-suited for salaried individuals with a regular income, as they allow for a consistent investment plan. Wealth creation is a powerful force in investing, whether you choose SIPs or a lump sum approach. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger as it accumulates more snow. Your initial investments generate returns, and those returns then earn further returns, leading to exponential growth over time. SIPs. With SIPs, your consistent contributions throughout the investment period benefit from compounding, allowing your wealth to grow gradually but steadily. Lump sum. While a lump sum investment enjoys the benefits of compounding for the entire period, the timing of your investment becomes crucial, and market fluctuations can significantly impact the outcome. Regular investments, even small ones, lead to exponential growth over time. One of the key advantages of SIPs is that they help you reduce the impact of market volatility. This is because with SIPs, you're buying more units when the market is down and fewer units when the market is up. This is known as Rupee cost averaging. If you receive a bonus, an inheritance, or other windfall gains, investing a lump sum can be advantageous. It's also a strategy you can use if you believe the market is undervalued or poised to rise. However, it requires careful market analysis and a higher risk tolerance. Investment frequency. SIPs involve regular investments, while lump sum is a one-time investment. Investment amount. SIPs use fixed monthly amounts, while lump sum requires a larger initial investment. Market volatility. SIPs reduce risk with Rupee cost averaging, while lump sum is more exposed to market swings. Disciplined investing. SIPs promote regular saving and investing, while lump sum requires self-discipline. Accessibility. SIPs are accessible with low minimums, while lump sums require a larger initial investment. Hybrid funds can be a great option for investors who want a balanced approach, combining the potential for growth with the stability of debt. They can be particularly well-suited for those new to investing or for those who want a less volatile investment experience. Start your SIP journey today and enjoy the rewards of disciplined long-term investing. Looking for a comprehensive guide to smart investing? My Smart Investment Strategies series offers everything you need to know about SIPs and hybrid funds. You can find both Beyond Risky Equities and Snail-like Debt, the hybrid recipe for success, and Demystifying SIPs for Financial Freedom, Building Your Financial Nest, Twig by Twig, on Amazon. Get the books and start building a stronger financial future. The links are in the video description.
Want to delve deeper into the world of investing and stay ahead of the curve? Visit our blog for a wealth of knowledge beyond mutual funds. We cover everything from harnessing AI for investment decisions to creating compelling presentations with Microsoft Office and AI tools. And don't forget to check out our other informative videos on the next page. Subscribe to our channel for updates on new content, and subscribe to our articles by signing up for our newsletter. It's the best way to stay informed and make smart investment choices. Thanks for watching. Want to dive deeper into SIPs and hybrid funds? Check out these two informative videos. One video explores the world of hybrid funds, providing a comprehensive overview of this valuable investment strategy. Another covers the essentials of SIPs, providing you with a clear understanding of how to make informed investment decisions.